Hi, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to write C++ program to calculate the area of a circle. It will be very small and simple program. So we'll understand the steps required to write the area of a circle. Always make sure you will write down the steps for your program so it will be easy to write it in the C++ language. So the way of writing the steps is using the algorithm. In the algorithm, we'll follow few steps which are as follows. So the formula for calculating the area of a circle is pi r square. The value of a pi will be the constant value and the radius we can take from the user as an input. And then we can calculate the area of a circle. So there are hardly 3 to 4 steps. So just take the radius as an input from the user. Then set the pi is equals to 3.14 as a constant value, and then calculate the area of a circle. Once calculated the area of a circle, we just have to display the result. That's it. And then end of the program. Now let's create a file where we can write the program for calculating area of a circle. So we can give the name as per the functionality area of circle. Press enter, then select the folder as expected and write the name and .cpp. CPP is an extension for the C++ file. So we have discussed already. Write down the comment, calculate the area of circle. If you want, you can give the formula a is equals to pi into r square, r into r. Now we need to include the header file hash include IO stream. IO stream file is useful for the input output operations. Then we need to use the namespace using namespace std. Next step is write down the main function which will be the starting point of execution of your program. It should be enclosed within the brackets, curly brackets. Now just define the variables. The first variable is pi value. So we know that pi is a constant value. So we have studied the constants. If you have not studied the constants, I have given the link in the description. Please go and watch that video. Const. We need to give the keyword const, then data type, the name of a variable and constant value 3.14. So this is a way how we define the constant value for the pi. Now what will be the second variable? In the formula we need r, right? So the value of r we need to get it from the user. So we'll define float r and area as well, because we have to calculate the area. So what is our condition? Our requirement is we need to take the input of radius from the user. So we need to request user to enter the value of a radius. So for that we can use cout insertion operator, then enter the value of radius area of circle. Then we can give space. Till now we are clear with this. Give small c because it's a case sensitive. Once we have displayed this message, user will enter the value of a radius. We need to capture that value entered by the user through the keyboard in particular variable. So for that, cin is a command where we can use extraction operator and the name of a variable where we want to store the value of a radius entered by the user. Simple. So now we have both the values, pi value and r value. Now its task is to just calculate the area. We have defined the variable area. So area is equals to pi into r into r. The step of calculation is done. Now we have to display the result. To display the text on the screen, we use cout statement. Area of circle is give the space, then again extraction operator, and we can give the name of variable where the calculated value of a area is stored. This is in a area. Done. Now last step is just to return 0. Control S, run this program. You can see here, enter the value of radius to calculate area of a circle. The value will be, radius will be 3, and you can see the output. The area of a circle is 28.26. So this is very simple program, and I have explained you each and every step from the starting till end. So if you have any queries, let me know in the comments, so I will help you out for that. And if you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe it. Thank you.